Okay everybody, in this video we're going to show you how to change a control board on a Sub-Zero model 700 BFI-2. And here's the model number right up there. And so the first thing we're going to do is going to take out these screws, this cover. Take that out. And I also like to take off this latch just to give me some more clearance. Makes it a little easier. Okay, put that there. Take this, slide it out. Here is the control board. And so what you have to do, pull it out. It just sits in there like so. Okay, so maybe what we should do is actually disconnect it. All these harnesses are all individual, so you can't really mix them up. If you have to, you can pull this evaporator and bend this a little bit to get it over past the track. Okay, so let's take out this and this. And there is the control board. That's the old one. Here's another one, new one. So we're gonna. So this evaporator just sits in here like this. There's nothing screwing it in, and there's a slot here, and at this piece right here, it guides it into the right spot. Okay, so see, I put a little light on the subject, and I was able to line this up. I actually had to turn it around. So that's in, and we have to get this one. Okay, there you go. Those two are in. Push that down there. Push that all the way down. Let's get a little light here. This is your sensor here. This goes into that's the wrong one. Okay, so we got everything hooked up. Just make sure that none of these wires are up against this cow rod heater, otherwise they are going to burn and short out. So this is basically done. Just make sure that all the wires are. And then all you need to do, take your cover, put it back on. Like so, slide it in there, put the screws in, and you're done. And that's how you change a computer board on a Sub-Zero model 700 BFI-2.